Hi, it's Mr. Tappert. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a folder for your solar car project. You're going to click on this folder down here, and then you're going to go to, oh boy, you can find your H drive along here sometimes. It'll be underneath this PC, typically. You could also click on it and then find your H drive through here. It'll have your name on it rather than mine. So this is my H drive. Now when you open it up, you want to do a right click and then new folder, solar car project. Make sure you save everything from the solar car into this folder, and make sure you put your team number on every part and a description of what it is, not just blah 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 blah. Actually call it team number 1 solar panel or team number 3 motor mount. It is important when we go to print that you guys have a very organized folder, and I'm making this a lot of points to have an organized project folder. Let me know if you have any more questions.